So hey guys, welcome again in my new and very most important video. And you can see that in this table I have lots of Android smartphone like Redmi, Poco, Xiaomi, Vivo, Motorola, and we have Oppo handset also. It means we have lots of logged smartphone, and I'm going to unlock all this smartphone in this video. So you have to watch this video properly till the end, and only then you will be able to unlock all Android smartphone at your home without any losing data and without any software and without any PC in just only 5 to 10 minutes. So let's start this video. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not battery charge less than 30 to 50%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this method to unlock your smartphone. One of the most important thing, you have to shut down your smartphone for once. For example, you have to put your smartphone in switch off mode, and this is the power off mode. You have to select this. After this, you have to wait for a few seconds. After that, you have to restart again your handset. For example, like that, you have to restart your smartphone before using unlocking method on your smartphone. After that, whatever data you have in your smartphone will be saved. Okay, so this process is very important if you seriously want to unlock your smartphone at your home at free of cost. Okay, you don't need to pay any amount to any other person. You have to watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your any Android smartphone at your home. After that, you can see that this is the pattern lock option, and you have to use any random password here for 5 times. Any random password. After that, you can see that all passwords are incorrect, and you have to click it OK here. And after that you have to click on emergency call option here. Open it. And after open your emergency call option on your smartphone, you have to put a code here for activating your smartphone's developer option. And for that code is given here: *#4033 *12977 and #. And you can see that this is the code of activate developer option mode of your smartphone. So you have to call this code, and after that you have to click it OK to ignore this message. Okay, and after this process, your smartphone's developer option is activated now. So you have to use another step here. You can use Google FRP code here, and you know that Google FRP code is able to unlock your smartphone without any losing your data, any kind of data like contacts, SMS, application, documents, photos, videos, etc. So I am going to use the latest month of Google FRP code here, and the code is *97713 *1033 and #. You can see that if you are watching this video in this month, then this code will be work on every Android smartphone. But you are watching this video in another month, so maybe this code will be expired. So you need updated and current code, and for this you can subscribe us and comment us. After your commenting, we will reply to you within a 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you also use the latest code of FRP on your smartphone. After that, you have to call this code for once only and wait for a few seconds, like 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. After that, you have to click on the home button here, and you can see that, my friends, your phone is completely unlocked without any using software, without any using any unlocking tool, and your smartphone 100% unlocked without any losing your data. It means your smartphone is unlocked and there is no any type of photos, videos and the data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Android smartphone at your home. If your mobile is still not unlocked, then in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comments so that you will be also able to unlock your Android smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching, my friends.